Welcome back to CosmicJoyride, your ultimate source for celestial updates. This is the second episode of our special series on Chandrayaan 3. If you haven't yet watched the first part, click on the I button above. And if you don't want to miss the next part, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon. In this episode, Journey of Design and Discovery, we will be taking a closer look at the details of payloads and scientific instruments of Chandrayaan 3. But before we dive into the fascinating details, let's take a quick look at the background of this ambitious mission. As you may remember, Chandrayaan 2, India's previous lunar mission, aimed to achieve a soft landing on the moon. But unfortunately, a last-minute glitch prevented the successful touchdown. But failure only serves as a stepping stone to success. And that's why ISRO is now gearing up for Chandrayaan 3, a mission focused on demonstrating the landing capabilities necessary for future lunar exploration. Talking about the mission life and launch plans, Chandrayaan 3 is set to launch on 12 July 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The spacecraft will embark on a journey to the lunar South Pole with a planned landing date of 23 August 2023. Its mission life is expected to last approximately one lunar day, which is around 14 Earth days. During this time, the rover will roam around the lunar surface, conducting in situ chemical analysis and providing valuable data for further scientific exploration. Now let's talk about the design of Chandrayaan 3. This incredible spacecraft will consist of a lander and a rover, similar to its predecessor. However, Chandrayaan 3 won't have an orbiter like Chandrayaan 2. Instead, its propulsion module will act as a communication relay satellite. How cool is that? And speaking of the propulsion module, it carries a fascinating payload called SAPE, short for Spectropolarimetry of Habitable Planet Earth. This payload allows scientists to study Earth from the lunar orbit by analyzing spectral and polarimetric measurements. Isn't it mind-boggling? One mission helping us to explore both the moon and our own planet. Talking about the cost of this mission, every grand adventure requires adequate funding and Chandrayaan 3 is no exception. The total estimated cost of this mission is around 615 crore. It's amazing to see the commitment and dedication behind this ambitious space exploration project. But what about scientific experiments and instruments aboard Chandrayaan 3? The scientific payloads aboard Chandrayaan 3 are truly groundbreaking. The lander module carries an instrument called RAMBHA, short for Radio Anatomy of Moon-Bound Hypersensitive Ionosphere and Atmosphere, which measures the near-surface plasma density. Then we also have ChaSTE, short for Chandra's Surface Thermophysical Experiment, designed to study the thermal properties of the lunar surface. Additionally, the instrument for lunar seismic activity, or ILSA, will measure lunar seismicity and it will help us understand the moon's structure. But wait, there is more. The rover is equipped with the Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer, or APXS, which determines the elemental composition of lunar soil and rocks. And the Laser-Induced Breakdown Spectroscope, or LIBS, enables quantitative and qualitative elemental analysis, expanding our knowledge of the lunar surface. And there you have it. We have delved into the captivating world of Chandrayaan 3, from its fascinating background to its innovative design, mission life, funding, and remarkable scientific instruments. As we eagerly await the launch, the anticipation for this mission grows stronger. Join us in the next episode of this series, where we delve deeper into what sets apart Chandrayaan 3 from its predecessors, and we will unravel the anticipated duration of its stay on Moon's surface. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep riding the waves of cosmic joy. This is Chiranjeevi signing off.